Welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here. This is the codes for the Mama Tricks which is for students who are studying for the National Clinical Mental Health Counseling exam. And these codes will be good until January the 31st. So you have case studies and you also have multiple choice questions. So you have the accessibility to pause and come back to these questions, or you can sit them down. Well, not sit them down, but you can sit down and do them in one sitting. So always say just take your time, do the information gathering, decision making. You work on your strategy, your flow of how you want to answer these questions, and go from there. If you have any questions for me, please let me know, and then I'll reach back out to you. All right, happy studying. So here are the codes for the National Clinical Mental Health Counseling exam. And I always forget to mention, but if you would like to schedule a free 45-minute consultation, at no risk to you, just figuring out what your flow is, how I can assist you as a tutor, or how you can join one of my groups, please let me know. You can reach out to me at genevaTutoringPrep@gmail.com, or you can leave me a comment below. So, happy studying and Happy New Year.